Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Venmo transfer to bank option not showing up. So first of all, you need to make sure you're running the latest version of the app. Open up App Store on your device, and then tap on this search icon in the bottom right corner. Then search for the Venmo app, and if you see this update button right next to the app name, simply tap on it to make sure you're running the latest version of the app. This should fix Venmo transfer to bank option not showing up, but if it doesn't, then you need to clear App Cache. Go to your device settings and then scroll all the way down to General and tap on it. Then tap on iPhone storage. From here, search for the Venmo app and then tap on it. Once you're on this screen, you need to tap on Offload app. Tap again to confirm. It'll take a bit for processing, and then a reinstall button will show up. Simply tap on it to reinstall the app. This should fix Venmo transfer to bank option not showing up, but if it doesn't, then open up the Venmo app on your device and then tap on this profile icon in the bottom right corner. From here, you need to tap on this gear icon in the top right corner. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down and tap on the Get Help option. It'll take you to this screen. Over here, you need to tap on the Contact Us option to contact customer support officials. Once connected, briefly explain the issue to the Venmo app representative. You can type something along the lines of, "Hello team, I've been trying to transfer money from my Venmo balance to my linked bank account, but the option to do so isn't showing up in the app. My bank account is correctly linked, and I've successfully transferred funds in the past, so I'm not sure what might be causing the option to disappear. Could you please help me understand why the transfer to bank option isn't showing up? What I can do to fix this?" Hopefully, the Venmo app customer representative will help you fix Venmo transfer to bank option not showing up. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.